Okay, so what's going on here? This Toro super recycler, whatever, it's having staying running issues because for some reason the primer bulb, or however it seats, is stopping the engine from getting more fuel. So right now I have it locked in right there, and I have it not locked in right there, and that will run. Not very well, but it will actually keep it running. It kind of surges a little bit. But if I have it seated all the way, it will turn on and then turn off immediately. Let me show you. Okay, find it. And yes, it is getting fuel. Just kind of took to do with one hand. And you see, I pushed it all the way in to fully seat it, and it killed it.